What is Cumaru? Pronounced Cumaru, is a premium tropical hardwood used for decking, siding, docks, boardwalks, fencing, pergolas, railing, and cladding. Often called Brazilian teak, although Cumaru is not actual teak, it is prized for its exceptional hardness, beautiful golden to reddish brown color, and natural resistance to rot, insects, and decay. In this video, we'll answer the frequently asked questions people are actually asking about Cumaru decking. How long does it last? Is it better than Ipe? Does it crack? Does it need to be sealed? Can it be used around pools? And ultimately, is it worth the investment? So how long does Cumaru last? A properly installed Cumaru deck commonly lasts from 30 to 50 years or more. Its density makes it naturally resistant to moisture, insects, and decay, making it an excellent long-term decking material. Like any premium hardwood, proper ventilation, spacing, fasteners, and sealing freshly cut ends contribute to maximum lifespan. Is Cumaru better than Ipe? Neither species is objectively better, they simply serve different priorities. Ipe is slightly harder and typically has the longest service life of any commercial decking species. Cumaru offers very similar durability while generally costing less. It also displays more natural color variation, giving many decks a warmer appearance. If budget is your top concern, Cumaru often provides one of the best values in premium hardwood decking. Does Cumaru need to be finished? Structurally, no. Cumaru's durability comes from the wood itself, not from finishes. However, if you want to preserve its rich color, applying a penetrating hard oil like Deckwise Ipe oil or water-based Wise Coat about once a year is highly recommended. What happens if you don't? Like Ipe and other tropical hardwoods, Cumaru naturally weathers to an attractive silver gray patina. This is cosmetic only. It doesn't mean the wood is failing. Does Cumaru crack? Small surface checks can occur with any natural hardwood as it acclimates, but properly installed Cumaru is highly stable and resistant to excessive splitting. Can Cumaru be used around pools? Absolutely. Its durability, insect resistant, and long lifespan make it an excellent choice for pool decks. As with any decking material, keep the surface clean, it will help your traction. Why is Cumaru cheaper than Ipe? Cumaru is still considered a premium hardwood, but is not as known as Ipe and therefore usually costs less while offering very comparable performance for many residential projects. Remember that decking boards are only one part of the overall project cost. Labor, framing, railings, and hardware usually represents the largest share of your investment. What are the pros and cons? What are the pros of Cumaru decking is outstanding durability, incredible hardness, natural beauty, resistance to insects and decay, and exceptional value among premium hardwoods. What are the cons? Cumaru is heavy, it's extremely dense, requires quality tools and installation practices, and should be oiled if you want to maintain its original color. Is Cumaru worth it? If you're looking for a premium hardwood performance without paying Ipe prices, Cumaru is one of the best long-term values available. Properly installed, it can provide decades of beautiful, reliable performance.